Guys, welcome back to Beauty by Celeste Nicole. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know it's been like a hot minute since I last uploaded. I'd say maybe about 2 or 3 years. I'm not too sure. You know, life gets crazy, things get in the way, things don't go as planned. So looking at my videos from back then, I feel like I've come a long way. Even though it's just been a couple of years, like I have learned so much more about products and skincare and things that I should have been doing. So I'm really excited to share those things with you guys now. But I'm here now and I'm definitely willing to work on some new videos and put some more content for you guys. So today what I basically just filmed is like my updated everyday makeup routine. I think this is just like the everyday glam that I'll do if I'm going to work, if I'm going to school, if I'm going out sometimes I'll do this. So it's really just like a neutral warm tone eyeshadow cut crease. If you want to see how I got this look right here, then just go ahead and keep watching. See you later. Bye. So my very first step is always to prep my eyes for my eyeshadow, and I use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. You can get away with using this as a primer since it's so full coverage and thick. So for my daily eyeshadow look, I just take my Modern Renaissance palette and I pick up some of the Raw Sienna and Burnt Orange eyeshadow, and then I just apply that to my crease. And I'm not really neat with this because I'm going to cut that crease later on, so I kind of just buff it into the crease area. The next shade I'll be taking is this rich orange eyeshadow called Real Gar. It's the last shadow in the palette with my Sephora brush, and I'll just be packing it into the outer V of my eye and then blending it inwards towards the rest of my eyelid. And to deepen up the eyeshadow and give it some dimension, I'm just going to be grabbing the darkest brown shade called Cypress Umber and just packing a little bit of that on the outer V and blending it in towards the rest of the eyeshadow. You really just need a little bit of this shade because it's very pigmented. And then to clean up my eyeshadow and make some nice straight lines, I just take my Shape Tape as well as a Sephora shader brush, and I just kind of carve out the lines where I'm going to be doing my winged liner. Now taking a Sephora concealer brush and some concealer, I'm just going to be carving out my crease, and I like to do this because it gives an illusion of bigger eyelids and wider eyes. And after I do that, I just like to pat the excess concealer off with my finger. And to blend that seamlessly in with the rest of the eyeshadow, I'm just going to be taking that orange shade Real Gar, and I'm just going to be applying a little bit in order to transition the two smoothly. And for the last step of my eyeshadow, I'm just going to be taking that color Tempera, and I'm going to be applying it where I cut my crease. It's like a very nice white eyeshadow with a slight shimmer. And to wing my liner, I'll be using my favorite, which is the Almay liquid eyeliner. This is honestly the best eyeliner I've ever used. It's great. It stays matte black all day long and it doesn't transfer to your eyeshadow, which is really great. And I know I make doing this look really easy, but it actually took me like years of practice. So just keep practicing and you'll get that wing perfect. Oop, there was a hair on my mascara. But anyways, just to prep my eyelashes for falsies, I'm just going to be applying 2 light coats of mascara. And the lashes that I like to wear are the Eyelure Vegas Nay Shining Star lashes. These are really nice because they're not like too dramatic, they're just enough for like an everyday lash. So now I'm just going to be prepping my skin for foundation. I'm going to be moisturizing with the Tatcha water cream, and I'm currently not using a face primer. I know, but if anybody has a good face primer that they want to recommend, then please do, because I have yet to find a really good one. And the foundation that I use is the Maybelline Superstay foundation. You guys, like, if you have not tried this foundation, please try it. It's full coverage, it's great, like it feels like a high-end foundation. You wouldn't even tell the difference. So if you can get your hands on it, please do try it. I can assure you, you'll love it. And then to apply my foundation, I'm just using my Sonia Kashuk blending sponge. And to conceal, you're going to be shocked, I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm just going to be applying that everywhere that I want to highlight and conceal. This stuff is really great too. I'm all for like full coverage concealers because I love to look really bright and awake, so please do try this concealer if you haven't gotten a chance as well. To set my concealer, I'll be taking my Mericier translucent powder, and I just pretty much put this everywhere I have the concealer. And what I've also been doing is pretty much setting my entire face with it. I find that this super waterproofs my face, so if I'm out in the sun and I'm sweating, like my makeup still, it will not budge. Like this really does help keep your makeup long lasting. Next, I'm just taking this little smudger brush and I'm going to be applying that Real Gar eyeshadow on my bottom lash line and just smoking it out just to kind of tie it in with the rest of the eyeshadow. And then of course you can't forget your bottom lash mascara. I have left the house without this a few times, and like I look at myself in the mirror and I'm just like, what is wrong with me? What is missing? And it's always this. Like this adds such a difference to your face. To contour and bronze, I'll be taking my Hoola bronzer by Benefit, and this is another one of my must-have products. It's just amazing for warming up the face. It really is a beautiful shade. And for my blush today, I'll just be taking this Ulta Beauty blush. It came with a purchase that I bought, but it's just a really pretty pinky peach blush. It kind of reminds me of NARS Orgasm. To do my brows, I use the NYX Tame Frame brow pomade and this little double-ended brush. And first I just brush them out with the little spoolie, and then I just start carving them out and doing the shape that I want. And I apologize, I can never get my brows right. Like they're always like not symmetrical, I just can't get them right. So I'm hoping soon in the future to do microblading because I really like, they're a mess. But I do the best that I can to make them look at least like cousins, if not sisters, or at least distant relatives. To highlight, I'll be taking my Maybelline Master Chrome Gold Highlighter and a Morphe brush and just applying this everywhere that I want to be blinding. And then my everyday lipstick is the Kat Von D liquid lipstick in the shade Lolita. This is just such a beautiful everyday shade for me. I love it. And if you have not tried Kat Von D liquid lipsticks, you should try them. She has an amazing formula. It doesn't dry out your lips at all, and it really is long lasting. This is the completed makeup look. It's pretty simple actually. It's not anything crazy. For my taste, it's perfect. Like a perfect level of not too much, not too little bit makeup. Might be a lot for some people. You should definitely change it up. And that's all I have for you guys today. But I'll definitely be seeing you guys in my next video. So yeah, let me know what you want to see, and I can't wait to talk to you guys later. Bye.